Hi everybody, I'm Liz, your safe sleep educator, who's going to go over the contents of your Jump Start box. First, let's thank our sponsors, United Way of North Idaho and Buckle Up for Life, Toyota Cincinnati Children's Hospital. So, thank you. So, first of all, this box is awesome. We put it together because we want you to have the tools to sleep your baby safely and give them a good jump start. So let's go over the first of your materials. First, we have 3 brochures. We have Safe Sleep for Your Grandbaby. Great way to introduce that safe sleep education to grandparents. Second, we have Safe Sleep for Your Baby. And last but not least, we have a door hanger. We know child safety. It has all 3 of our classes that you can take, along with safe sleep tips on the back. The next fun thing that we have for you is a book, Sleep Baby Safe and Sound from Charlie's Kids Foundation. It's a sweet little book that you can read to your baby at any time. And on the back, safe sleep tips. Next, we have a pacifier. This is a molded pacifier, which is recommended to help reduce your baby's risk of a sudden infant death. This is the newborn size, so make sure you're only using it for the recommendations that are listed on the packaging. You will need a bigger size of pacifier as your baby grows. Let's see. A pack of diapers to get you started. A pack of baby wipes to get you started. Let's see, a fun little bracelet that has Safe Start on it and our website. Next, I want to go into our tools that are in here to help you stay awake while you're feeding baby, which is really important. We talk about the safety of we want you to room share, not bed share. Okay, bed sharing, it comes with many risks, suffocation, overheating, smothering, and so we want you to have the tools to help you stay awake while you feed your baby in the middle of the night. So throughout the night, one tip that you can do is set a timer. Set a timer. If you take baby out of their bed to feed or diaper or whatever and into your bed, make sure you're awake and alert. Just in case, set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes to go off just in case you do fall asleep. So we have a timer for you. Some ideas to stay awake. This cool clicky pen. Here's some ideas. Shop online a bit or much. Play a mad game of Candy Crush. Laugh, binge watch The Office. Reflect, journal about your day. We have a journal for you. Hydrate, polish off your water bottle. We have one of those for you too. Make sure you wash it out first. Eat Oreos with Nutella, we won't tell. And it goes back to shopping. So here's your pen for your journal. So just some tools. Also, there's a little fidget in here that maybe you want to use to help you stay awake. Last but not least, we have 2 sleep sacks. We have a newborn size sleep sack. Okay, I'm gonna go over that in just a second. And a size small. So you're all set for sleep sacks through that first 6 months of life. But remember, you never wanna use blankets that whole first year. So when you're ready for that next size, let us know and we'll get you hooked up. Last but not least, I wanna go over the swaddling tips. Really important, this is included in your kit. Important about swaddling. Please remember that swaddling is not a safe sleep recommendation. In fact, it is recommended that if you are going to swaddle, you need to be aware of a few things. First of all, we don't want you to swaddle too tight, okay, to restrict baby's breathing. We also don't want it too loose to get that fabric up in the baby's face. We always swaddle at chest level. Okay, I'm going to show you the swaddling techniques with the sleep sack. If you're going to swaddle with arms in, we want you to swaddle at a V away from baby's face, okay? Not too tight, okay? So here's your swaddle. Now, really important that you need to stop swaddling as soon as your baby shows signs of rolling over or turns 8 weeks of age, okay? Because that's when babies start to roll, and we definitely don't want a baby swaddled when they roll onto their tummy. They need to have their hands free to push their face out of the mattress. So you can use this swaddle with swaddling under the armpits for as long as the swaddle sack fits your baby. Because their arms are free, you can use this past the 8-week mark. Okay? So I hope you enjoy your box. I want you to remember to give us a call, send us a message, find us on Facebook, send me an email, and we can help you with all of your safe sleep questions. Thanks for watching.